You're typing the same instruction into AI tools every single day. Same persona, same tone, same rules about style. Copy, paste, adjust, repeat. Gemini has a feature that lets you save all that context once and use it forever. They're called Gems, and they're basically custom AI assistants that remember your preferences. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to build one. And for the sake of the example, I'm going to show you my Transcript-to-Blog example. If you're new to the channel, my name is Cian and I'm the AI productivity coach. And I've taught thousands of people how to use AI practically in their jobs to make their lives easier. So if that sounds like you, please make sure to subscribe and like and join me on this journey. But for now, let's jump into Gems. So what are Gems and why do they matter? Here's the problem with regular AI chats. Every time you start a new conversation, you're starting from scratch. You have to tell it who you are, what you want, how to respond, and what to avoid. If you're looking for consistent results, this makes it difficult. And you have to copy and paste a gigantic prompt each time. Gems solves this complexity. A gem is a saved AI assistant with permanent instructions. You tell it how to behave once and it remembers it forever. You basically give it a role. For example, you're a blog editor who knows my brand voice. You give it tasks. For example, you convert transcripts to SEO optimized blog posts. You also give it rules, so you never use these words, you always include these sections. And you give it knowledge, so you can upload files it can reference. Then whenever you need it, you can just click the gem. It's already configured. No retyping, no forgetting details. For tasks you do repeatedly, this can save anywhere between 15 to 45 minutes, depending on what you're doing. The big advantage that Gems have over other tools, they work natively in the Google Workspace. So for example, Gmail, Google Docs, Google Sheets. No plugins required. And you can usually build as many as you want. Different gems for different scenarios. You could have one to write a blog post. You could have one to write a LinkedIn post, one that helps you fine-tune your emails, and one that helps you research difficult topics. It's kind of like having a team of specialists who know how you work. And the good news is that Gems are free as of March 2025. Google introduced them onto the free plan with Gemini, and you no longer need to pay for a subscription in order to access them. Paid users do get more advanced functionality, but you can still use the free ones on the free plan. You do need to build Gems on the web at gemini.google.com. You can't actually build them on the mobile, but once you build them on the web, you can still use them in the mobile app. I'm going to show you how to build one step by step using my Transcript-to-Blog converter example. You can follow the same process for whatever you are trying to build yourself. Okay, so once you're in gemini.google.com, you simply come up to the left rail here and go to expand menu. And then you click on Gems, and you can see here we're in the Gems manager. So you can see there are pre-made ones by Google. So there's a brainstormer career guide. You can also look and see if there are more. So this could be a good place to look if you want to get inspiration for what you might need. If you want, you can also make a copy of them yourself. So for example, with this writing editor, it has created a copy here. And then down here, you can see my gems. So currently I have a newsletter creator gem. But in order to create a new one, you go over here and click New Gem. And basically, you just start working through what it needs. So to start, you just need to give it a name. So I'm not going to be very creative here. I'm just going to give it this Transcript-to-Blog post converter name. Not the most elegant, but it does the job. And you can see it's already updated the name over here on the right. And then next, you just want to give it a description. So it's basically what your gem is and explain what it does. So converts video transcripts into SEO optimized blog posts with complete metadata following AI productivity coach content standards. So for instructions, you basically have to tell it what your gem's main objectives and capabilities are and what style of response you want. One thing that's helpful here is to use Gemini to create these instructions yourself. So basically just let it interview you and ask a few questions about what you want to achieve, and Gemini can help you format this into instructions for the gem. So I did that exactly, basically looked at who you are, your job, given context on the audience, blog post standards, internal linking opportunities, SEO checklist, and then negative constraints as well. So these are things you don't want your gem to do. And then the next section is the default tool. So when you start a new conversation with the gem, the default tool will be selected. You can still remove it or select another one. And so here, basically, you can choose no default tool if you just want to go to one of the models. Maybe it's deep research if you want a researcher one. Maybe your gem is a video creator or it wants to create images. So depending on your use case, make sure you choose the right one here. And again, if it's just getting answers and you don't really care, just click on no default tool. The gem sometimes might be able to figure out what you want to do depending on what you prompt. So if you're unsure, just go for no default tool here. And then finally, you can add some knowledge. So these are files that you can attach. This could be in your Google Drive. It could be something you just upload. So in my example, I'm going to upload the AI Productivity Coach brand guidelines to help steer it on how I like to speak. The benefit of attaching a Google Doc is that it will see the live documents. So if you make any changes to this doc, the gem will know about them. If it's something you don't want changing, you can just attach a PDF or something like that. And then once you have all that, you can simply head up here and click save. Make sure you actually do this because otherwise it won't work. And so the transcript to blog post converter has been created. What a name again. Let's see how it works. I'm going to very simply just use the YouTube link here, and you can see here the gem is working already. And I didn't even need a prompt. You can see here it's already converted this into the output that I wanted. So it's got the slug, the title tag, etc. It's given me featured image, alt text, all those things, and then it's written the blog post here. It even shows that it's used the AI Productivity Coach brand guidelines, giving me opportunities for linking. So yeah, that worked really well. I mean, I just copy and paste a YouTube link. I didn't even need to share the transcript, but similarly, I could just share the transcript and it would work the same. So rather than having to write this myself, which might take up to an hour, that took, no exaggeration, 15 seconds. Okay, so now you know how to build a gem, but you might be asking yourself, what use case do I have for a gem? So let me share some examples of what you might be able to use it for to start stirring some ideas in your head. So for example, if you are a content creator, you might be able to create a gem that is a video script editor that knows your pacing and brand voice. Or it could be a thumbnail copy generator that follows your proven formulae. Or it could even be a social media post adapter, takes long form content and creates platform specific versions. Maybe you're in business operations. You could create a gem for a client proposal writer that references your services and past case studies. Or it could be a meeting notes processor, converts raw notes into action items and follow-ups in your company format. Or you could have an email response template for common customer questions, maintaining your brand tone. For knowledge workers, you might want a research summarizer that pulls key insights in the exact format you need for reports. Could be a presentation deck builder that follows your company's slide template every time. An email rewriter, same message, different tone for your boss versus your team versus external partners. Or a data analyst that always outputs findings in your preferred visualization format. Finally, if you're a small business owner, you might use a gem as a job description writer that matches your company culture and includes required legal language. You could have a gem for customer onboarding email sequences that sound like you wrote them. Or it could be a social media scheduler that converts product updates into posts for each platform. If none of these apply, let me know in the comments and I'll respond with some ideas that you could use it for if you give me some context on what you're trying to do. Or else just let me know what you're using them for. I'd be really interested to hear. So that's it. I have my gem now, and that's going to make converting my videos into blog posts a lot easier. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe and like and join me on this journey. I also have a weekly AI newsletter where I share practical AI tips and tricks, and you can subscribe using the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.